Hello student, here I am giving you different groups which are attached to the benzene ring and which will undergo electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, EAS reaction. Reactivity order, according to reactivity order I have given, and if you remember the number also, then within few minutes, within few seconds, it will be okay, this is the correct answer, this is the correct answer, you can find it. Sometimes they are asking a reasoning question, so detailed study will do later on. So here first or best is aniline. It is doing electrophilic substitution reaction very readily among all these 10. Okay, second goes to phenol, second ranking phenol, because it is I told you that aniline is nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen, so it will hold electron tightly. Okay, so it will not easily donate electron pair to benzene ring. But since this nitrogen is of aniline is less electronegative, so it will easily donate the electron pair, so it is little faster it will form, it will give electrophilic substitution reaction as compared to phenol. And then phenol, after phenol anisole, we discuss it in detail in my video, so you watch it. Okay, so aniline, then phenol, then anisole, after that acetanilide. This is benzene ring NHCOCH3 grouping. So this is the fourth ranking. Now fifth ranking goes to toluene. So from here to here you remember fourth is acetanilide, fifth is toluene. In this case here plus R and plus I effect, very much electron donating group is there, and that is where. And secondly plus I effect, so it will activate, all these are activating the ring which are in the black, so activate the benzene ring. Okay, activate the benzene ring. And secondly, all of them are electron donating group. This, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, here 6 7, here wait, here chlorobenzene is slightly deactivating the benzene ring. Why it is so? Because it is a highly electronegative, wants to hold electron towards itself, and it will not easily donate the electron pair to the benzene ring. But since it is having plus R effect, plus R effect means this lone pair of electron participate in resonance stabilization. So plus R and minus I effect both operating here in case of chlorobenzene and in case of fluorobenzene. Okay, but chlorobenzene is readily give this electrophilic substitution reaction as compared to fluorobenzene. We discuss first this, okay, part. So toluene, chlorobenzene and fluorobenzene. Here also